have driven on these Kumho Crugen Premium tires for about 23,000 kilometers or 14,000 miles, and in this video I will share my real-world experience with them. These are the original factory-installed tires that came on my Kia Sportage. So after thousands of kilometers on city roads, highways and rough pavement, I think it's good time to see how they have held up. First, let's talk about tread wear. After 23,000 kilometers, the tires still have plenty of tread left. The wear has been even across all four tires, which shows they are wearing normally. Of course, regular tire rotations and maintaining the correct tire pressure play a big role in extending tire life. One of the things I liked most when the tires were new was how quiet they were. Even after 23,000 kilometers, they are still very quiet, and I have not noticed any increase in road noise. The cabin remains comfortable, especially during highway driving. On dry roads, the grip has remained very good. Whether accelerating, cornering or braking, the tires feel predictable. I haven't noticed any significant loss of traction compared to when they were new. In wet conditions, they have also performed well. They channel water effectively and maintain good grip during normal driving. As always, it's important to reduce your speed in heavy rain because no tire is immune to hydroplaning. Ride comfort is another area where these tires perform well. They absorb small bumps and road imperfections nicely, making long drives comfortable without feeling overly soft or unstable. One thing I always check after long-term use is whether the tires have developed any unusual vibration or balance issues. Even after more than 23,000 kilometers, there is absolutely no vibration at highway speeds. In fact, I haven't had these tires balanced since the car left the factory, yet they continue to run perfectly smooth. The sidewalls have also held up well. There are no cracks, bulges or unusual damage despite driving on some very rough roads. I have accidentally hit tall road cat eyes multiple times, and I was expecting at least some damage. Surprisingly, the tires came through without any cuts, bulges or other visible damage. Of course, I do not recommend hitting obstacles intentionally, but it's reassuring to know these tires have handled those impacts without any issues. Fuel economy has remained consistent throughout my ownership. I haven't noticed any measurable increase in fuel consumption that I could attribute to the tires. Another thing worth mentioning is the climate. I live in an area where summer temperatures can reach 48 degrees Celsius or about 118 Fahrenheit. Despite being exposed to this extreme heat, the Kumho Crugen tires have held up remarkably well. I haven't noticed any heat-related issues such as excessive wear, sidewall cracking or changes in performance. They have continued to provide the same quiet, comfortable and stable ride even in these harsh conditions. If your vehicle came with Kumho Crugen tires from the factory and you're wondering how they will perform over time, my experience has been positive so far. Consider subscribing to Wheels Joint for more automotive content. Thanks for watching.